back to my channel today. This is going to be a unboxing video. I've got a SEGWAY box here. You can drag it down here. It was wrapped, of course, but I just took it unwrapping off. Proper heavy. I think this is the 20 kilogram SEGWAY as well. This is the first time I've ever opened it as well, so don't know what it's going to look like. Another box. Let's take it out of this. Right, so we've got this box out of that box. It's a black and red one. Monster Fusion SEGWAY. Another box inside it. This is the box. It's the Venom Monster. So as you can see, we've got a bag. We've got the instructions. We've got after the charger as well. We have this. So it's something squidgy. Oh, here we are. Oh, it's like squidgy flexible stickers, like really like squidgy rubber. And then I've got some bigger ones as well in here. These might be able to be stuck onto it. Oh, like black pads. Sorry for scratching, I think. That's good. There we are.
Jay, there's a remote in there, the Bluetooth.
Oh yeah, there's also a remote.
It's a Bluetooth thing. Have you got it?
Yeah, it's here. That's a remote. You can switch it on and off. Wow, it's massive. It's huge. Move that. This is absolutely huge. Bigger than I expected it to be.
Bluetooth mode.
I had one of these last year. I've got some move down there. I had one of these last year. I'm not stable on it just yet. As you can see, it's like really high. It's got big pads on here, wheels and ice. It's got Bluetooth on it as well. I can play my songs on it. Really fast this as well. So this is my view on the SEGWAY. It just needs charging, I think. That's why it's bleeping. And it's really smooth to ride. The wheels on it are really nice as well. And then it's got the stickers on it, the squidgy pads, all stuff on it. So yeah, if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to me for more videos. See you later.